The fact that the National Assembly and the public have both pushed back on efforts to impose martial law, and that we are seeing an investigation into the president's actions from that evening, suggests that democracy is very robust in South Korea, that it is something which the South Korean public cares deeply about and is willing to take and push to maintain. Investigators now have 48 hours to determine whether to release President Yoon or to request a formal arrest warrant. At the same time, if they do arrest President Yoon, we'd likely see an investigation and trial going forward with President Yoon on whatever charges are put forward, at the same time as the Constitutional Court looks to determine whether the impeachment of President Yoon was valid. As President Yoon looks to maintain power, he's taken a two-pronged approach. One, to take and argue that the charges against him are not legitimate, while at the same time raising questions about procedure and other aspects of the Constitutional Court's trial to try and push back any decision beyond the date for which two of the justices would take and have their terms end, which would then take and put the court in a more difficult position and raise potential questions about the validity of any decision. And so through stalling tactics and questioning the legality of investigators, President Yoon is looking to try and hold on to political power in South Korea. One of the challenges for South Korea through this current political crisis is that with the acting president having limited authority to take and make decisions, it makes it challenging for South Korea to engage with incoming administrations such as the Trump administration in the United States, or engage more deeply with regional partners such as Japan or those in Southeast Asia because of the limited nature of the authority of the acting president. So until this political crisis is resolved, South Korea will find itself at a disadvantage in international affairs relative to other partners.